On today's video, we are making Tikel Gomen, or a mixture of 3 vegetables. I have carrot, cabbage, and potatoes, and the rest of the ingredients I will list it in the description below as always. First thing first, we are going to go ahead and cook our onions. I like to cook it with its own juice. Once it dries out, we go ahead and add the oil. And the spices is coriander, cumin, and turmeric. And minced garlic. You can add a splash of water at any stage. And then we go ahead and add the potatoes first. Followed by carrot. Cabbage last. Add water and let it simmer. Once cooked, I like to finish it off with jalapeno pepper and a bit of oil. And you're ready to serve. That is a very quick recipe but very delicious. I hope you give it a try and let me know. Thank you again for watching my videos. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.